Question 5. Use a variable to write a pattern rule for each number pattern. Alright, so it should look something like this. First of all, we have to find the 50th term in each pattern. Well, actually, that's second. First, let's look at the pattern, 5a. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's going up by 1, right? So what would be the pattern rule? Add 1 each time. That's our pattern rule. Pretty simple, isn't it? Now, what would be the variable? I can choose any letter I want as a variable to represent these numbers. Alright, so if I just chose a V, V to represent variable, really what I'm doing is kind of going, whatever number I'm choosing, I'm going to add 1. V plus 1. Alright? And that's called an expression, actually. So I'm kind of adding that in. You're going to see it later, or you've already seen it, I guess. This is the review. V plus 1 is the expression. So if I add 1 to V, that's going to be my pattern rule, right? Add 1 each time. Well, what am I adding it to? Well, I'm adding it to one of these numbers, right, in our pattern. So that will give me the next number in the pattern. So now let's get down to the 50th term. Find the 50th term. Well, we're starting at 4, right? That's where we're starting. So in this case, V plus 50 is going to give me the 50th term. So what is V? We go to the beginning, right? It's 4. 4 plus 50 equals 54. So 54 is going to be the 50th term of pattern A. Look at B, pattern B. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. It's really the same kind of pattern. It's going up by 1 each time, right? What's the pattern rule? Well, we're adding 1 each time. And what would the expression be? Well, it would be V plus 1, right? So, what would be the 50th term of this pattern? Well, again, it would be V plus 50. And if we're starting at 12, then it would be 12 plus 50, which is 62. 62 is going to be the 50th term of this pattern.